This is a cry from the belly of the beast that will soon regurgitate us only to crush our youthful bones. Nothing about the future looks pretty here. We are afraid to think of tomorrow. It writes to us suicidal notes on the horizon. To the living forefathers of this land, I write. To the ones who lead, I ask, is this what you dreamt of for your children? How does it make you feel to know that your grandchildren will be living in the swamp of your debt long after you're gone? When you cried out for freedom, was it just for you to consume gluttonously and watch while your brothers do the same in silence? The legendary Martin Luther King Jr. says, there comes a time when silence is betrayal. A tween of 10 with hips only wide enough to sway to skipping ropes is pregnant, yet no one has the audacity to ask the right questions. And that's why our prognosis looks bleak. We are swindled by a different kind of oppression. Our elders are eating from our plate. It's the same youth of 1976 gaslighting the future. An irony. The struggle picks itself up and continues. A jobless graduate takes it to the street, holding up a sign. It's a massacre, an epoch of depressed youth swallowed by medication, for how can they meditate in these dark ages? And so they get wasted, drinking heavy enough to lift up heavy burdens from their slumped shoulder. The bottle is empty. Rock bottom is home. Africa is both a rock and a hard place. Who will feed the future whose mother is dying, whose father is still absent? We too are too broken and tired to fight. And so let these numbers speak for themselves.
The number of young girls who are falling pregnant has reached a crisis point in our country.
Young women losing their lives in the most gruesome killings.
Scientists in South Africa are monitoring a new variant
Ramaphosa says the revelation made in Parliament that thousands of public servants
South Africa's unemployment rate has hit a record high, and that's from 34.9% according to the quarterly
number of deaths in Africa.
This is a cry from the belly of the beast that will soon regurgitate only to crush our youthful bones. Nothing that will soon regurgitate us here, only to crush. We are afraid to think of tomorrow. It writes to us suicidal notes on the horizon. To the living forefathers of this land, from the belly of the beast.